Mugomo wa arutani a thukuru cia university ukiingira kiumia gia keri, ngucanio ya kiama kia UASU na thirikari no irathie na mbere egie muigana wa mbeca iria cibatie kuhuthika gukinyaniria ngirimiti ya uruti wa wira ya mwaka wa 2021-2025.
Kindly come on Tuesday and state the issues.
Kiama kia UASU giteterithitie ati thirikari ibatie kumahe nyongerera ya muigana wa ciringi birioni 9.7 mbeca iria ciaiguithanirio hindi ya mucemanio uria watabanirio gatagati ga tariki 30 mweri wa kenda na tariki 3 mweri wa 10 kaunti-ini ya Machakos.
Honorable Chair, after 2 days of discussion, we adopted. We expected now the committee to take the report to the Ministry of Education for them to provide funds.
The said simulation took into account the salary increments of 10% for all university staff in grade 1 to 12 and 7% for all university staff.
Thutha wa gikaro kia Machakos, ripoti ya mendekithia maria makinyanirio yabatie kuneanwo kuri Ministry ya Githomo ona kuhanura uguo kuombirwo kamiti ige igikuruhania Ministry ya Githomo, Ministry ya Kigina na Ministry ya uruti wa wira iria yaheanire mendekithia mayo makonie mbeca iria arutani mabatie kuongererwo thiini wa riendekithia ria mbere makiheana muigana wa ciringi birioni 8.6 thiini wa riendekithia ria keri makiheana ciringi birioni 5.1 na rio riendekithia ria gatatu makiheana muigana wa ciringi birioni 4.3 na rio riendekithia ria kana riari ciringi birioni 4.2.
So we were surprised when now they are telling us what the government has offered is 4.3. Let us try to fit it. I want to say whether you fit it like what. It cannot conform to the terms and provisions of the return to work formula.
The said unions were made aware that the available monies from the government for the CBA 2021-2025 was 4.3 billion Kenya shillings, and that the salary simulation needed to take this parameter into account.
Kiama kia UASU ona kuhanura uguo kiugite kamiti ino ni yagararire mutaratara wa ukinyaniria wa ngirimiti cia kiwira, thirikari ikioneka kwenda kuhinyiriria arutania ya makiria na giki ni kimwe kia itumi iria ciacungiririe macokererie mugomo-ini wao uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere.
Members, automatic annual increment is given to employee to cushion the employee from the vagaries of inflation. 1% cannot cushion an employee from the vagaries of inflation.
Thengia ya mucemanio na WIGUANO uria wakinyanirio Machakos gutire wira o wothe utemanirio mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo. Kamiti ino igicungiriria gutiriha giikaro giki kia umuthi.
When you are in Machakos, you are saying WASU were told this. Where is the document? Because that government doesn't work on word of mouth.
Ona kuhanura uguo thirikari yugite gutire kigina makiria gia kuongerera arutani aya ikimoria matiye watho wa igoti wa gutiganiria mugomo wao na gucokereria wira.
And we are requesting that let us not deviate from how we have been implementing our CBS by bringing in new parameters.
WASU should call off the strike and allow resumption of teaching and learning by WASU members in the affected public universities.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadura.